I'm gonna take a pancake.
What are you doing? Don't touch it.
How to buy guide for beginners. Pancakeswap with Trust Wallet. Step 1. Download Trust Wallet. Download it and set it up. Write down your seed phrases somewhere safe, and then keep them safe, and never share them with anyone. Step 2. Buy BNB and then send it to your Trust Wallet. How can you do that? You can buy BNB from Binance US or KuCoin. If you wanted to fund your account, you can use your Coinbase account, buy something like Solana, and then withdraw your Solana and send it to your KuCoin Solana wallet, and then sell it and then buy BNB. The whole point, however you get BNB, the whole point is to send BNB into your Trust Wallet. Step 3. Once you've sent BNB into your Trust Wallet, you will see it in your Trust Wallet. You click on BNB and then click on Swap, and then click on Swap to Smart Chain. You want to convert your BNB to the Binance Smart Chain. Click Confirm. It'll say processing. It might take a few minutes. You can go ahead and X out of that one, and then you'll see that it has converted the BNB into the Smart Chain. One thing to keep in mind is that you will be using BNB to pay for all the gas fees. So for each transaction, it'll cost $1 or $2 that you'll be paying with BNB. So whatever you want to buy, always keep a little bit in the account so that you can pay for the fees. Step 4. Open up your browser, Safari or whatever browser that you use, and visit Pancakeswap.finance. Be sure that you're on the correct website, because there's a lot of websites that pretend to be Pancakeswap, but they're not, and they're scams. Once you're there, click on Connect Wallet, then click on Wallet Connect, and then click Trust Wallet. And then it'll say Pancakeswap wants to connect to your wallet. Click Connect. Now you can go back to your browser. Now your wallet is connected to Pancakeswap. Click on Trade, and then you're going to want to click Select Currency. You can add the token's address. So for example, Moongirl. Moongirl is available on Pancakeswap, and the contract address is on the website. So you would just copy this contract address and you would paste it into the Pancakeswap, and you'll see Moongirl pop up. You click on that, and now you can swap them. You'll want to make sure your slippage is set to the right percentage before swapping. You would click on that little settings wheel. Usually 11 or 12% works pretty good, but for this one, I'll just put 15%. And you would go where it says slippage tolerance, click on it. I put 15 just to be sure. Let's say I wanted to swap 0.01 BNB for Moongirl. Then I'll click swap. Then it would ask you to confirm the swap. Click on confirm swap. It'll load up Trust Wallet. Click on confirm. Now you can go back to the browser, and it says the transaction was submitted. You can just scroll down like that, your finger, and it'll reload things. You can go back to your wallet. Now, you won't see your token pop up here on your wallet. You're gonna have to add the token with the same address if you wanna be able to see it in your Trust Wallet. So on the top right, you can click on the top right, and you can scroll all the way down where it says add custom token, click that, change the network to Smart Chain, and then paste the address there, and then the token will come up, and you can click on save. Now, when you go back to your wallet, now you can see the total amount of the token that you have. Look how many Moongirls I got. Moongirl! Let's come from over here.
I think this is it.
That's the same pancake. They're swapping the same pancake.
It's Pancakeswap. That's what they do.
Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below. See you later, Moonrats.